Alright guys, now we've got those clothes moved over to our Whirlpool Cabrio electric dryer. Hop those in here. I've just got it on heavy duty, which is high dry, and before you hit go you can shift these. Already got it running here to warm it up a little bit. As you can hear, it sounds great. Nice smooth operation. Then I'm going to show you that it is in fact heating like it's supposed to. So right in between those two red dots, it's going to take its surface temperature measurement. So we'll go ahead and open this up. I'll shoot it right inside the heating element tube here. You see plenty of heat coming off of that guy there. Now the tube, the heating element tube, gets pretty hot right there. But the inside of your dryer is only going to get from about 95 up to 195. And that just depends on what you set your heat settings at, which is all of these settings here. Plenty of options, tons of options. So if you've got delicates, that type of thing, this dryer is going to be able to handle it all. I'm going to go ahead and let that finish up. Get these listed up for sale. If you have any questions at all, feel free to reach out. I do appreciate you taking the time to watch this video. Thanks and have a great day.